Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using an administrator account so changes persist. First, pause updates in Settings Windows Update for up to 35 days. This buys time while you prepare permanent changes. Once done, open Services, MSC to identify Windows Update service and keep the services window open. You will also open Gpedit. MSC if available to set policies. If not, prepare to use the registry. These steps let you move from a temporary pause to a controlled, durable disablement. You now stop and disable the core services. In Services, select Windows Update, click Stop, then set Startup Type to Disabled. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Update Orchestrator. Once services are disabled, open Local Group Policy Editor at Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates Windows Components Windows Update, and set Configure Automatic Updates to Disabled. This prevents re-enabling. If Gpedit MSC is unavailable, make the equivalent registry changes under H. You finish by rebooting and verifying that Windows Update remains stopped and settings shows no pending updates. Make sure to lock permissions on the Windows Update registry keys and the service executable to reduce accidental re-enabling. If updates reappear, check Task Scheduler for re-enable tasks, inspect telemetry or OEM update tools, and restore any group policy or registry conflicts. If needed, revert one change at a time to identify the culprit. Remember, disabling updates raises security risks, so plan manual patching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.